Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Accept others the way they are. You cannot change other people. To try to change them to fit what you want them to be is like trying to change a dog into a cat into a horse. They are what they are, and you are what you are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials trade down 301. NASDAQ down 136. S&P's down 36. Gold contract up $1.70, trading at $12.84 an ounce. Gold rejected lower price, folks. Bottom line wants higher price. Silver down 4 cents, trading $15.35. Now, silver's a toss-up. It did reject lower price. Bottom line, had a lot of volume, though, so we'll see where that baby's going to shake out. Oil down $1.23, trading $52.57 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note up 8 ticks, 121.14. 30-year bond up 19 ticks, trading at a price point of 145.02. In both cases, folks, bottom line, they got back inside their higher range. King dollar up 7 ticks, trading 96 even. King dollar is still battling over the August 15th swing high. That August 15th swing high, folks, is 95.830. The euro is at 113 to 1 US dollar. The yen is at 109 to 1 US dollar, and the pound is at 129.53 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Let's go to the world of IBM. So IBM just come out with the numbers out here. Option market was looking for 8% move, folks, up or down. And right now, IBM closed at 122. It's trading at 127. Let's see what they have to say out here. Number-wise, their earnings per share number, estimate was $4.82. They made $4.87. Revenue estimate was $21.7 billion. They say they made $21.8 billion. Cloud revenue, year cloud revenue, not, this gets interesting. This isn't, this is cloud revenue, year over year is up 12%. Just so you know that some of these cloud companies are basically moving up 12, 13% per quarter. Bottom line is that market right now is bidding it up $7, I believe. 128, so we're up $6. And 128, if we take a look at 128, 124 was the high of Friday. Your last swing high out here is 126. So this is going to try to get up into the level that we're trading at on October 24th. Numbers go like this. Let's see. So they're saying they have... oh, this is interesting. Okay. I'm not sure whether this is... they're saying that... the earnings per share from continuing operations is $2.15. That includes a charge of $1.9 billion related to U.S. Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. Operating income non-GAAP earnings per share was $4.83. Revenue was $21.8 billion. That's down 3%. Global Business and Cognitive Solutions revenue grew year over year. Gross profit margin up 10 basis points year over year. Pre-tax income margin up more than 50 basis points per year. All right, we'll see where the rest of this shakes out as we come back. Because I suspect what you're going to see here is that we're going to be basically, well, all over the place. We're at 128.30. Gold contract, we go back to the markets and take a look at the markets out here. Well, here, let's do the S&P first. So if we go into the SPY and take a look at the SPY, folks, what you have is this, is that we did 109 million shares. On Friday, what we did is that on Friday, you got to a high with 127 million. My take, that sets up a test of that area. That's what I'm looking for on this market. I'm looking for a test of the highs of Friday. If that test is on lighter volume, that's the sell. That's the sell into the market to get down into this low that is established out here at 233. I'd really like to see this thing kind of lay out closer to basically the end of the month at the beginning of the month. The reason being is because of window dressing. You know, it's always really dangerous basically selling into that market, window dressing. And then on top of that, what we do have is that when you take a look at some of the high flyers, they are coming out right at the very end of the month. Like if we take a look at Amazon, Amazon's coming out the 31st. It's like, okay, you know, you almost want to basically let the market do what it wants to do. Google, let's go take a look at Google, because I believe that between the 30th and 31st and the 1st and 2nd of February, you get some big monsters. So Google's February 4th. If we take a look at Facebook, that's the 30th of January. We take a look at Microsoft, that's the 30th of January. We take a look at Intel, that's the 24th. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that's this week. So we're going to have lots of numbers coming out from all over the place. So let's go take a look at Capital One, COF. Let's see what they have to say. So, whoops. Let's see. Okay, so Capital One, the low for the year is 69, the high is 106. It closed at 83.40. That's trading at 80. Okay, so that's a little problem child. Let's see what they have to say. So the revenue estimate had been 7.7 billion. They did 7 billion. So that's pretty intense. They shot 700 million. Wow. Imagine 90 days you shot 700 million. I mean, would all love to take in 7 billion though in 90 days too. It's the other side of it. Earnings per share. This is a big miss, man. Earnings per share estimate had been at $2.39. They did 187. So, and they're going to lower their estimate. Their Capital One reported adjusted earnings per share for the fourth quarter that missed the lowest analyst estimates. Fourth quarter credit card charge-offs equaled 4.61%. Card delinquencies 3.62%. They have provisions for losses at $1.64 billion. Their net interest margin is 6.9%. Net interest income $5.82 billion. Non-interest income $1.9 billion. Loans held for investment $245 billion. Tangible book value $69.20. Auto charge off 1.9%. Auto delinquencies, oh, that's up 6.95 on auto delinquencies. That's 7% almost. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.